Hi everyone, it's Louise with louisemckayart and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be working on yo-yos. I have two yo-yos in mind and I have a really cool color palette. I just did my first side, one side, and I'm going to do the second side. And before I even get started, I'm going to let you know that I did protect these with, backs with liquid latex. But truth be told, I got this at Michael's with a 40% coupon. I'm not sure I really like this stuff. It does peel off, but it's kind of a pain in the neck. Versus just taping that really takes a little more time up front, but it's cleaner really in the end. So it's probably the last time I'm going to use liquid latex. So anyway, here we go. We're going to get started. These are little yo-yos that I get. It's in the description. I can't remember where I get it. Crafts Parts or something like that. Have done nothing other than prep the back for these. The first one came out really cute. And my thinking is I might do a double side-by-side video with this color combination on one side and then layering it the reverse way on the other side. And we'll see how different they look from each other. I'm not sure if something this small is going to have an appreciable difference, but I guess that's what doing it differently does. So this is my pillow. This is my 6011N. We're going to get it on here. We're going to spin it out just to stretch it. Hardly need any, as you can see. Hardly need any. It's like putting on frosting and letting it just drip down. And if you want to see how I have my spinner set up, I have a 3-minute video, 2:30. I will link it above. Get covered up, pretty much covered up across the bottom. And we're going to get started. So my colors. This is Golden's Cerulean Blue. Now, this is a gorgeous color. It's like a grayish blue and on a light tone. It's weird. It's light and dark at the same time. So we got that in the middle. Amsterdam's Sky Blue Light, and I'm using 5 colors here. Now, typically I've said you can only use a couple colors for these yo-yos, but if you just add a little bit of each color, you can get them all on there. Next is Sea Glass with a little bit of Modern Masters Ocean Green. Next color is Iridescent Silver by Golden. And this is going to be really quick. And the secret to this is to blow it very gently, as I took a little while to figure out how to do these because these are so small that you have to adjust your blow. If you blow like normal, you're gonna blow it to smithereens. Last color is Creative Inspirations Payne's Gray. And for my cell activator, I've got Sky Blue Light. I only made a little bit. This is with Australian. So I wanted to just make this quick. But look at the bounce back when you drizzle it off the stick. Dunk. That's a lively cell activator right there. Very, very thin. So your pillow is about a 4-second trace when you drizzle it off the stick. The paints are about 2 to 3. There's nothing. Here we go, with a gentle blow, and we're gonna get started here. Don't need much cell activator. That'll do it. So as I blow this out, I'm just gonna tell you, I'm blowing very gently and long, so it's a much longer, gentle blow as I blow straight down into the cell activator to get this paint to spread over the top of this yo-yo. And once it starts spreading, I just keep coaxing it over the edges with my air. I have a really good video. It's called The Art of the Blow. It's video 419. I will link it above. It shows you how I blow out most of my compositions and how speed and angle have such an impact on the outcome. And if you're newer here and don't have access to Australian Floetrol, I do have an American Floetrol cell activator recipe, video 141. I will link it above. You can check it out. I tell you exactly how I make it, the recipe, and show you in the video. That's it. It's very cute. One little air bubble here. I know you can't see this, but I'm just gonna pop it real quick. And one here in the middle. Oh, I'm gonna let it go. Spin it. Let's just get this thing going. We are 6 minutes in. This is how quick I can knock these out really fast. They're a pain in the neck though, and it takes a while to get the technique down. It takes a while to figure out the right blow. But I'll tell you what, once you get it, it's like riding a bike. You don't unlearn it. I'm gonna get rid of some of this extra paint here that's holding up the flow. So I have my Noosa cup set up. I have a video of how I have this spinner set up. I think it's video 230. Whatever it is, I'll link it above. And then on top of this Noosa, I've got my 2-ounce cups that makes a nice prop for the half a yo-yo there. Just checking down here, make sure I've got it all covered on the bottom. Getting a little stretch while I'm there. I'm gonna pull in some of the extra at the bottom. Because with these creations, you really don't do much with the bottom. You just try to get the extra off as much as you can, but it's so small, it's very difficult to work with. And the biggest challenge of this really is carrying it from here to the table, because it can get quite crazy. And there's no paint on there. It's literally to the bone. I don't like what I did there. Let me put a little color. Put a little color. Oh, you know, it's turning blue anyway. Leave it alone. Yeah. So I'm gonna pick this up and show you from here, because I don't want to make a mistake and drop it, because it's really pretty. Okay. We're gonna come back, we're gonna do another one, we're gonna go reverse order. So I'm gonna flip this, actually just go the other way. And I'll do a side-by-side, I think, of this creation, because it's gonna be quick anyway. All right, so everyone, that's a wrap for this creation, and this is the color combination in the sequence that I laid this down, and I'm just giving you an up close and personal, because I did do a wet result here, and then I have a picture of the two of them together as a wet result. And then the next picture I'm going to show you is the wet result of the other, and the layering I did the opposite direction. I hope that makes sense, and obviously layering does make a difference even with something of this size. I think the biggest difference was how the last color down played with the sky blue light cell activator. So there they are both together, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell and all. I'd really appreciate that. A comment and a thumbs up is also appreciated. Also, and if you really liked the video, give it a hype. That'll help me out. At the end of this, I'm going to link my Yo-Yos playlist, and I do want to point out that these are resined with KS resin. And if you want to see the entire process, video 501, I'll link it above, shows you this entire process from start to finish. Also, check out my description for links to some valuable videos that are instructional, and also links to some of the products that I do use, to include KS Resin with a 10% discount code for you, that when you go to KS Resin and you make a purchase, you get 10% off, and they give me 5% toward my future purchases, and it's a great way to help me out. So I think that's all I have for now, everybody. Take care, be safe, till next time. Thanks a lot.